Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the Miele dryer error code F66 on your 2025 model, you're in the right place. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's often something you can fix yourself with a few simple steps. Let's dive in and get your dryer running smoothly again. First off, what does error code F66 mean? In Miele dryers, F66 typically points to an issue with the moisture sensor or a communication problem between the dryer's electronic components. This could be caused by lint buildup, a faulty sensor, or even a wiring glitch. It's a common error, especially in newer models like the 2025 lineup, and understanding it can save you time and money on repairs. To start troubleshooting, begin with the basics. Step 1. Unplug your dryer from the power source and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and might make the error disappear. Once it's reset, plug it back in and see if the code persists. If that doesn't work, check for lint and debris. Open up the dryer and thoroughly clean the lint filter and vents. Over time, lint can block sensors, triggering codes like F66. Make sure everything is clear. It's amazing how a quick clean can solve these issues. Next, inspect the moisture sensor. This is usually located inside the drum. Gently wipe it down with a dry cloth to remove any residue. If you're comfortable, you can also check the wiring connections for any loose wires, but be cautious as this involves electrical components. If you've tried these steps and the error code still shows up, it might be time to call in a professional technician. They can diagnose deeper issues, like a defective sensor or motherboard problem, which may require replacement parts. Remember, always prioritize safety when working with appliances. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips. See you next time.